My name is Rafael. I am from El Salvador. My wife's name is Celia. She is from El Salvador too. There are 2 children in our family, 1 son and 1 daughter. Our son Thomas is 13 years old. Our daughter Claudia is 14 years old. Thomas and Claudia were born in the United States. Celia and I were not born in the United States. We were born in El Salvador. Thomas and Claudia are students. They are both very smart. I was a teacher in El Salvador, but now I am a cook. Celia was a nurse in El Salvador, but now she is a student, just like Thomas and Claudia. We are all very busy, but we are very happy.